So you know Zakaria alayhi salam didn't have children, right? What did he say? He says, Rabbi habli min ladunka dhurriyatan tayyibah. Again, he used the term hab. Hab means grant me a gift. Grant me a gift. Of what? Of family, progeny, children who will be a gift from you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says we gave him the gift. And so in the Quran it says Al-Wahhab. The name of Allah that is used, Wahhab. In this case as well. So Allah is giving the gift. Something that you lost hope about, but not from Allah, which I didn't lose hope in Allah, but I lost hope in worldly things. People get married, and it's happening often. May Allah grant ease to all those who are married in their marriages, and those who don't have children, Allah bless them with children as well. But it's quite stressful when years are passing, and you know what? People are just looking at you, thinking, it's about time you started a family, and you're busy thinking, it's got nothing to do with about time. I wanted to start a family the day I got married. In fact, I started a family. But it's up to Allah when He's going to bless us with children, right? People might say, well, you need to be on a strict diet, get off sugars and gluten and this. And yeah, that may help you. It's good to do things that perhaps might, purify your reproductive system in a beautiful way. Perhaps, yeah. You can try that out. It's worked for a lot of people. But at the same time, isn't it some emptiness that you feel within you to say, I don't have children yet, man. Allahu Akbar. Here's the name. Seek forgiveness of Allah. Rabbi ghfirli. Oh Allah, forgive me. And then that Wahhab. Innaka antal Wahhab. Habli. Oh Allah, grant me.